Take a look at this new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 24 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the option package discount, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.08 ratio, iridium metallic, jet black dark ash, cloth seat trim, audio system, 8 inches diagonal color touch screen with Intelli-Link, MFM Siriusxm HD, engine, 5.3L Ecotec 3 with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically control LED and the full value package. Call 888-852-16064. Email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.